Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will walk you through the process of replacing the trigger on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of needle nose pliers. Let's get started. First, make sure your vacuum is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Begin by removing the dust container from the vacuum. Press the button located at the top of the container and pull it away from the main body. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back of the trigger assembly. There are typically 3 screws that need to be taken out. When removing screws, keep them in a safe place to avoid losing them. If you're unsure about handling this, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation for your vacuum repairs. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the trigger assembly away from the main body. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the trigger, so do not force it out. If you're having difficulty, consider using a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it loose. Now, disconnect the wires by gently pulling the connectors apart. It's important to note the orientation of the wires for reassembly later. If you encounter any issues, don't forget that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier to get your vacuum serviced. With the trigger assembly removed, take your new trigger and align it with the connectors. Push the connectors together firmly until they click into place. This ensures a good connection for the vacuum to operate effectively. Next, position the new trigger assembly onto the main body of the vacuum. Make sure it fits snugly into place. Now it's time to reinsert the screws you previously removed. Secure them tightly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this may damage the plastic. After the screws are in place, test the trigger by pressing it a few times to ensure it functions correctly. If everything seems fine, reattach the dust container by aligning it with the main body and pushing it back until it clicks into place. Finally, give your vacuum a quick internal cleaning. Use a soft brush to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. Maintaining cleanliness will improve your vacuum's performance. If you find yourself without the necessary tools, remember, we offer no calls, no travel service, allowing you to get repairs done conveniently. You can receive a quote before any repair work begins, ensuring you know the costs involved. That wraps up our tutorial on replacing the trigger for your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. With these steps, you can extend the life of your vacuum and maintain its efficiency. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.